Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a .tax file from TurboTax. So first is of course head over to TurboTax and make sure that you're logged into your account. And from the home page, we're just going to click on any button that will redirect us to our dashboard. Next in the left panel, click on Tax Tools, then click on Tools. And from the Tools Center, you should be able to see a link that is named Save Your 2024 Return to your computer. And all you have to do is click on this link. And as you can see, a file that is a .tax has been downloaded on our computer. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!